Alright, hey everyone, Wanderbot here, and welcome back to While True Learn. Let's see, so, I think... Oh, this one. I heard from somebody... I gotta test something. Let's check tree. I heard that this might be one of those games where you actually want to... let's just do errors in database too. No, we only have expert systems for this. Somebody was saying that you got, like, upgrades for your machine at a later date that would make some of these easier. But I don't know if that's... Wait, hardware. Here we go. Oh. They're right. Increases data transfer speed by 1%. Extra RAM, Rentium. So these are the upgrades. That's funny. Okay. What's DLL? Oh, DLL is a sandbox. We only have one slot for DLL blocks by default. Go to the shop to get more. Interesting. We're gonna have to leave these for later. So we can buy node upgrades and stuff like that. Yeah, sockets processing queue by 3. Data transfer speed by 1. So, by getting these upgrades, it should make it that we can come back to some of these. Okay, so I'm going to stop shooting as aggressively for gold. Because it looks like that might not actually be a good idea. Okay, so this one only takes circle. And this might be one of those that we have to come back for, unfortunately. Alright, so let's just do training. So, yeah, no, it doesn't look like I have more nodes. I wonder what those upgrades were exactly for. Yeah, so the problem is we run out of time. Because too many circles go up here. And I'm not sure how to do this better. Because we don't need more circles. And the more of these I send through, the worse it's going to be. Because the problem is, so effectively I sent, let's say about 40 circles up here, and these just weren't getting enough to fill out. Because that's going to do nothing for me. And I feel like I need more than this. The other thing is accuracy. Because some amount extra just goes there. So what I should probably do is undo that. Just have the circle go here. Undo these. Have the circle go here. Pump these circles up here. And more or less use that as a secondary filter thing, so this gets more? Maybe. This is probably... Oh, wait, no. I never actually connected these. Okay, there we go. That should all be connected. Because, yeah, I noticed that this got a square. Once we get the training done, won't be so bad. I guess one problem is these are only getting so many, so their accuracy is going to be kind of garbage until we do a lot of training. Yeah, this is still getting quite a lot of circles here. Keep doing training. Once this is more accurate, it might be better. I don't know. I really don't know if there's a better way that I currently can do to do this, at least that I know. Which makes this a little bit tougher. Because it looks like the middle one here fills up real quick, but the circles suddenly become a serious issue. Okay. Let's undo this. And just connect these here. Because the thing is, we need to have these fill in at about the same time. Oh, interesting. There's only bronze. Okay, well, we got it as a success. I could release it. It's not going to be pretty. Yeah, there's no silver here. We'll make less money for it. Is it worth it? I don't know. I'm going to release it for now. We're just going to come back to this one at a slightly later date. Maybe there's some upgrades, or maybe one of you guys can yell at me. Fact, actually, has somebody yelled at me on how to do this one better. Let's double check. I wonder if I can actually put this into windowed mode so I can look at it in a better sense. Well, so yeah, we'll just come back to that one. Let's double check. I might have gotten a comment or two telling me what to do. I don't mind it if you guys double check my code. I don't like it when people exactly tell me what to do when I'm playing things live, but if you have a better solution, and you want to take like just an image on it. No, doesn't look like we've got any oh, unless it's one of the comments. MedX gold answer. Oh, well, I guess that is the one thing we can do. People are suggesting stuff. Okay, so let's go back to the tree. Which one's MedX? MedX gold answer. Okay, so this is the one that was skunking me earlier. Okay. Oh yeah, this makes perfect sense. Looking at this now. Yeah, I guess I can always just check cheat sheet after the fact and see how it goes. So, effectively, I really wish I could have actually, I wish that you could actually have different solutions set here. So I could see my original one. This is one thing I really liked about 7 Billion Humans, is I could have 3 different versions of what I'm doing. And actually use it. Okay, so let's run a test run. So it sends all the red up here, and then sends all the red down here. Any greens just go up here. All the blues go down here, and get filtered over. Let's go over this again. So effectively, all blues go here, and then up, with a little bit of green. All greens go down here, some reds go down here, and then anything goes up here. Wait, I gotta see this. Yeah, so I guess this takes half the reds and all of the greens that go up this direction. And fills it out. Yeah, this game's gonna be tough. Well, let's save that. Okay, so we're up to gold star on MedX. So yeah, I could... One thing I could do is... And I might actually start doing this. Find a solution until I'm too stumped to continue. And then actually look up what the answer is and try and learn from it. I'm not happy about that, but sometimes that's what you gotta do. Oh, I never actually did this. Okay. Yeah, I never did this one. Alright, so we also have Sift. Now, Sift takes longer than decision trees. Okay, well, we want a trash can. Because, effectively, we want to take anything that is red. We should have green. Because we want red and blue to go up. And I can't connect this to multiple things. Yeah, so that only goes one direction. Huh. Well, what I can do is... Okay, so I can have green. If it's triangle, go here. Else trash. We have a lot of green. We have a lot of green triangles. The one problem is, this is going to take blue triangles and jam them in here, which isn't going to work. I could have a second one of these. Because, yeah, we pretty much have to take every single green triangle there. No, we don't want this here. We'd have to loop... We'd have to loop this in here. Let's have blue go back up and green into a Sift. This is probably going to be slow. That's my problem. It'll be accurate, but garbage. Okay, so we have triangle to trash. Otherwise, go here. This should work. But it's probably going to be real slow. Because, yeah, this Sift is just too much. So how about this, actually? Let's get rid of these. So I'm going to have that Sift there. We're going to have a second... another Sift. That's going to be red Sift. This is going to be blue Sift. Also triangle. Test run. Yeah, those Sifts are filling up really hard. I mean, we get a silver for it. We actually were pretty close. The main problem is the bottlenecking. Because the problem is, blues will go up here as well. Unless... What if we do that? It's still bottlenecking. We have so many reds. And it's actually worse. There's no easy way to do this. I feel like this is one of those where we might straight up just need better hardware. Because if you notice, the Sift has a 1.238 as opposed to the original 1.3. Yeah, so this keeps us in the silver. I'm just going to go with that for now. There's probably a better way of doing it. Maybe? But it might just require me to have a substantially better loadout than I do. Maybe? I don't know. Well, as usual, I'm probably just gonna get to a satisfactory level, and then we'll try again later. Come back once I have better tech. I don't really know. Let's see. Speaking of, we have something new on eBay. Oh, it's other. Because, yeah, what I'd like to do is get as many of these as possible, because it looks like you can actually get quite a lot. A 2 terabyte solid-state drive. Ooh, those are pricey. Alright, well, we want to do reinforcement learning. The developer really wanted me to do this one. So, hello, we as a society of peoples who love cats. We want our cats to have all the best. We want cats to drive cars with no humans instead. But cats have no hands. Cats have paws. Can yous make a car that can self-drive? Yours, Dr. Meow W. Cats, human person. P.S. Please excuse our grammar. We are not cats, we are humans, but we can't type well because we have paws and no hands. Terrible car accident, bad surgery. Is why we need self-driving cars. Haha. In reinforcement learning tasks, nodes work in a bit different way. All data is initially unspecified and your task is to recognize it and transmit it to RL agent, the AI. Okay. What? Okay. So, Sift object detection gets the unrecognized data on the input and classifies them as either object or as road. Objects go to the upper socket, roads to the bottom. Sift scale invariant feature transform is one of the most powerful non-neural image recognition algorithms. Sift is very fast and capable of recognizing simple objects and patterns. Okay, so if we put that there... there? I am confused. Let's just test run and see what happens. Tune. At this screen, you'll be testing your AI. AI acts based on the data you've been recognizing when building your scheme. The goal in this type of task is to make the AI clever enough to be able to reach the target average speed level. Here's where you can see how AI controls the car. Green zone in the front, called LiDAR, shows what your AI sees. Information about obstacles comes from your recognizing algorithm. Without this data, AI will be virtually blind and won't be able to tell one object from another. On the right, you can see the AI's decisions visualized. At this stage, you can teach the AI to recognize objects, but this is not proper machine learning yet. This is why, having created a scheme, you can manually train your AI to drive. Use WASD or arrow keys to drive, and the AI will reenact your moves. Supervised learning. You don't really hit the brakes very well. Well, gotta go fast. Crashing him into him. Slow down. Cause all of the wrecks. Actually, doesn't look like it can slow down. Alright, gotta go fast then. I think we're supposed to get it up to like 60 miles an hour consistently. Okay, release? Okay, your average speed is low. Launch learning, so the machine learning algorithm would try and reiterate. Okay, let's do supervised learning. Yeah, I wonder if I just didn't accelerate early enough. I'm honestly not sure. Oh. I guess we crashed or hard stopped there. This is interesting. I probably should have played this when the dev was hanging out. Just because he seemed really excited about it. But I guess, I don't know. I was real tired. Yeah, so I was too fast. Again. Training. Your model has achieved the target speed level. Further learning will not improve the model, but it might make it more expensive. Okay. Let's do supervised learning again. I'm gonna try very hard not to crash this time. And we're gonna just shoot for 60 kilometers an hour. Because hopefully it'll learn not to crash. We're very slow, but that's fine. You're not really supposed to go hellaciously fast on the highway. There's some guys that thought it was okay to drive like 90 and a 60 on their phones. Suffice to say, I ended those friendships fast. Not as fast as them, but fast. Okay, so we've done supervised learning. Do training. It seems dumb. Let's do a test run. The problem is it doesn't do anything, it just sits there. So, I'm actually kind of stumped as to what I'm supposed to do. It failed. I truly can't tell you what it's supposed to be doing, because I've been doing supervised learning, environment test run, some other things, but... Well, now... I can't release it, can I? This is not going to do anything. And it won't let me go back to, supervised learning, either. And I feel like I'm supposed to... have... I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Let me know. Because I'm confused. And I feel like I should, yeah, because it's only supposed to get up to 1 kilometer an hour. Or, kilometer an hour. I can't figure it out. At least not right now. Let's check our inbox. I should probably look at the Tatari, stuff as well, but we'll work on that later. Anyway. A bit of a short episode, but I gotta go grab my laundry. I don't want to get people be mad. I don't want people to be mad at me for leaving my laundry in for like 2 hours. And so I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode of Well True Learn. And as always, thanks for watching. Also help.